Mr. West here from Barber Builders Training Academy, Garland, Texas. I'm going to demonstrate today the 3 straight shave strokes, 14 shave areas. So I'm going to give you the proper demonstration of how to execute those 3 shave strokes in the 14 shave areas of the shave. At the Texas State Board exam, you have to demonstrate that you know where the proper 3 shave strokes are demonstrated in certain areas of the face. Okay, so I have a model here as the mannequin, since we do use a mannequin on the state board now in Texas. And this is a mannequin that it has the numbers already on it, which you will not have the numbers on your on your mannequin at state board. All right, that's the writing that I have on this mannequin is not allowed at state board. All right, at the exam. I have a regular razor handle with the razor blade removed. There will not be a razor blade in the razor handle because you're dealing with plastic, okay? And so it's not necessary. Now, so once we've laid the model back, what we'll do is you're gonna do the first 5 shave areas with the model looking away from you. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put our razor handle down. We're gonna turn the mannequin this way. Now, key, I put my razor handle, I gotta make sure my razor handle is closed. It doesn't have to be put down, but anytime you turn this mannequin or the model head, they wanna see if you practice safety and close the razor handle. Now, anytime you walk with the razor handle, anytime you walk, if I got to step behind this mannequin, I have to put close it and put it down, then walk behind them, okay? These are things that they're watching for if you're practicing their safety, or you can lose safety points at the state board examination. All right, so what we're gonna do here, we're gonna demonstrate the shave strokes in the 14 areas. Area 1, we're gonna hold the razor handle properly with your pinky on the tang, your 3 fingers on the shank, and your thumb below the shank, okay? We're gonna hold it properly for the freehand stroke. And what you wanna do, you wanna lead with the point of the razor. Anytime you're doing a stroke, you want your thumb, your non-dominant thumb, to be stretching the skin from behind the back of the razor, okay? So if I'm doing a backhand stroke, I want my thumb behind the back, stretching the opposite direction of the stroke. If I'm doing a freehand stroke, I want my thumb at the back of the razor on the skin, stretching for the opposite direction of where the stroke is traveling, okay? So we're gonna begin. We got the area 1, which requires the freehand stroke. Thumb placed on the skin for stretching. Freehand stroke. Area 1, freehand. Be sure to stop at the bottom of the ear. They're looking for that at the state board. Make sure that you stop in the right area. Area 2, backhand stroke. So you want to put your thumb here. You want to turn, you take your thumb and kind of pivot the razor a little bit. You want to flip your hand. As in to do a backhand slap. Don't slap nobody up. All right, you can tuck your elbow in just a little bit. You don't want to tuck your elbow all the way in like this, because that way you go into a stroke of that with the reverse backhand, which is not in the shaving, okay? All right, we're only going to do the backhand. Now, you don't have to be up close on the model. You can step back, roll your hand, you pivot, your thumb, and roll. I can use my wrist. I got my thumb behind the back of the razor to stretch the skin, and I'm going to execute the backhand stroke all the way to the corner of the mouth. This is area 2, above the jawbone, all along the cheek. All right. Now we're going to go back to the freehand stroke, area 3. We want area 3 to come kind of diagonal from the nostril toward the lip. Area 3 is also going to require a freehand stroke like area 1. Area 4 is jawbone, from the jawbone, edge of the jawbone down to the top of the Adam's apple. And it requires the freehand stroke. As you can see, I'm stretching the skin behind the back of the razor, pulling the opposite direction that the razor is traveling. I'm gonna close my razor and I'm gonna put my razor down because I need to walk behind my client to execute area 5, in which I'm going to execute a reverse freehand stroke. My thumb is behind the back of the razor still, pulled in the opposite direction. And we're gonna come up to the top of the Adam's apple. We're gonna close the razor, we're gonna put it down, we're gonna walk back over here. Now we're gonna turn the model's head this direction, facing the barber, and then we're gonna pick up where we left off. We're gonna do the second 5 areas with the model in this position. We're gonna pick up the razor. We're gonna pick up on area 6, which is the backhand stroke again. The backhand stroke, you're gonna take a diagonal toward the lip. Now we're on area 7. We're gonna do a backhand. So 6 and 7 is backhand. Area 7, backhand. From the sideburn to the bottom of the earlobe. Area 8, freehand. Get that thumb back there behind the back of the razor, stretching the skin in the opposite direction. That's area 8, it was a freehand. Area 9, we're gonna do the backhand on area 9, from the jawbone down to the top of the Adam's apple. Thumb there to stretch the skin. Now we gotta do area 10, but we gotta close our razor because we wanna walk behind the model. Area 10, pushing that skin down, coming up from the bottom of the neck to the top of the Adam's apple. Put my razor down because I gotta walk back over here. We're gonna straighten the model's head up. If this is a real person, of course, we'll ask them to straighten their head up as we motion their head to the right position. Now, we have to pick up at area 11, which is the chin here. And that area 11 will require the freehand stroke. Thumb behind the back of the razor. You come sideways like this, stretching that skin. Area 12. Area 12 up under here from the jawbone, right on the chin, down to the top of Adam's apple. You got an option. You can do freehand or backhand, all right? So I'm gonna do backhand right here. Or you can do freehand. All right, that's area 12. Area 13 and 14, I gotta close the razor, put it down because I gotta walk. I'm gonna walk behind the client. Pick up the razor. So we have area 13 here, the bottom of the neck up to the top of the Adam's apple. And we're gonna do area 14 right below this lip. They're both reverse freehand strokes. We have completed all 14 shave areas, executing the proper shave strokes in each necessary shave area. Thank you for watching, like and share. This is Jason Barber, an educator, AKA Mr. West at Barber Builders Training Academy, barberbuildersacademy.com. Thanks for watching.